Hello and welcome. Today we're making a flag. When you open up Blender, delete everything. Now press Shift A to add a plane. Rotate in the Y-axis 90 degrees. Let's scale it a bit on the Y-axis and on the Z-axis as well. Create some loop cuts. I'm going with 8 by 4. Now subdivide 2 times. Select the vertices at the left side. Head over to the Data tab and create a new vertex group. Click Assign. Rename the vertex group to something beautiful. Head into the Physics tab and assign a cloth modifier. Now if you go into Object mode and press play. Oh look, it's falling. To make it not fall, under Shape, select the pin group you created. And now it should look more like a flag. To make it even more look like a flag, press Shift A and under Forces, add Wind. Move it to where you want the wind to come from. Rotate minus 90 degrees on the X-axis and up the strength to about 3000.
Wow.
Yeah, this is pretty windy. We're almost done. Select your flag and press Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier, just to smoothen it out a bit. I wanted to add some imperfections, so in edit mode I selected a few vertices on the left side and removed them from our vertex group we created earlier. Now make sure to put some texture on your flag. I also decided to add a pole. And when you're done, don't forget to bake your animation. And we're done! Now I hope you know how to make flags. Thanks for watching, have a good day.